Good day, everybody. Today I'm going to do the next installment of my Greek gods body paints, and I'm going to use this painting. Oh wait, hold on. This painting for inspiration. And once again, I'm going to go ahead and take my skin colored eyeliner pencil. I'm going to sketch in kind of the outline, and then we're going to do our paint by numbers. If you're wondering why my skin colored pencil is white, it's because I ran out of pencil about halfway through my drawing. Now I'm going to go ahead and sketch around the sketch with blue, start to add the definition. It's kind of a middle range color, and then I'm going to add the highlights and contour again. The black detailing really makes it pop. If you're more comfortable with a softer definition, then you can use black eyeshadow as well. But I was kind of going more graphic here and going hard with the black paint. I'm kind of going in with, I guess, a mid-tone or a highlight color. Now it's really starting to add the definition that the face has. Since I don't have the prosthetics to make my face as long as his, I'm working with the canvas I got and kind of transforming it to fit my face. I'm going in with that black to really get in the eye sockets and pull those shadows. You also don't have to do it in this order. That's kind of just the way I interpreted the reference photo. I took the different parts that I felt like would go together and started as a base and then built on it. That's kind of the order I chose it in, but if it makes you feel comfortable to do it in a different way, then you go for it. I do, however, like to sit the highlights on top, so I keep adding more highlights and making them lighter as I build up the look. And since I have a good bit of the blue in, I'm starting to add the whites and the oranges to kind of give it that glowy look that he had in the picture. I'm also going ahead and painting eyeballs on my eyelids since his are so bright and orange. That way you can either use yours or use his, depending on what you're doing. Also, if you just wanted to use contacts, that would work too. More shading and more layers later. To give a stronger illusion of that elongated face in the photo, I'm kind of blacking out the sides of my face. That would be like doing a really strong contour in beauty makeup. And then I'm going to it'll give the illusion that my face is super long like his once I fill it in. Here I'm mixing the black paint with the blue paint to kind of black out my neck and kind of make it more cohesive with the rest of my body in this image, and I'm going to start to do the clothes. I kind of just went with the color blocking in the clothes instead of the extreme detail of all the wrinkles, since I'm a beginner at drawing clothes on myself. The best advice I could possibly give you is just to really pay attention to the reference photo you're using. The more you look at it, the more you see, and the more you could transfer to yourself. I really wanted to black out my neck here to give it that deep illusion and make it kind of the more dimensional look at the end in the photo. And there you have it. If you wanted, you could go in with prosthetics, and I might do a rerun of that later to get that like impressive long chin, but working with the shape of my face as it is, I think we did a pretty cool job. Let me know what other looks you want to see. Go ahead and subscribe and leave some likes and comments, and hit me up.